Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make an acne prone face mask for glowing skin. So this is how it looks like. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So these are the products that we're going to use. We're going to use aloe vera 1 gram. We're also going to use turmeric 2 grams and 3 grams of moringa powder and a bowl for mixing. So to my 119 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. God bless you. And to my viewers, I really appreciate you guys. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamin B, vitamin B2, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, potassium, copper, iron, sulfur, various phytochemicals and amino acids. In short, the super moringa has 25 times more than iron than green leaf or spinach. So more vitamins, more vitamin C than orange, 7 plus, 10 times more than vitamin A than carrot. More potassium than banana, 15 plus times more calcium, more than milk protein than curd or yogurt, that is 8 plus. It is just wow. So as vitamin C helps improve the elasticity of skin as well as boost collagen production, it delays the signs of aging like fine lines, prevents sagging of the skin, which makes younger looking skin. So the antioxidants in moringa provide work to neutralize free radicals damage caused by the environment and the sun. Yeah, so now at this point, I've just rinsed my face with, honey cleanser. I'll link that video in the description box below, which we did. Yeah, so moringa has inflammatory properties which help smooth irritated and dry skin condition related to psoriasis and eczema. So aloe vera like moisturizes, it absorbs easily, making it ideal for oily skin. However, it can treat dry skin too. So the moisturizing effect of aloe helps alleviate dry skin and the skin associated with eczema due to the anti-inflammatory forms of acne and aloe inflammatory kinds of acne such as pustules and nodules. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. These characteristics may provide glow luster to the skin. Turmeric may also revive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. So like I always use my hands when I'm applying any product, but of course you can go in with brushes. That's just my liking. Yes, I find that they're so gentle. So that at this point, we're going to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we are going to rinse our face. So this is how much is left. It's actually, it can actually cater for 2 applications. So we'll just store it in the fridge. So at this point, this is how it looks like after 15 minutes. And now we are going to rinse. We are going to the shower to rinse. We've just rinsed out our face. As you can see, look at that glow. Our skin looks so beautiful. So like I had no challenge in rinsing, but my nails were stained. As you can see, there's some yellow kind of stains in our nails, but it's not something serious. So at this point, you can go in with whatever moisturizer. So now I love carrot oil. I did a video on carrot oil. I'll link that video in the description box below. So whether you have dry, acne, prune, or sensitive skin, carrot oil is great skin saver. It's rich in vitamin A and carotenoids. Carrot oil helps give your skin natural radiant complexion. It also has high content of antioxidants and helps fight skin aging, and it's also effective oil when used on the face. Or facial oil. So like I'm just rubbing it throughout our neck, and I'm going to do a light massage. It's very important. It helps to reduce fine lines. Yes, in fact, I did a video on massaging. Yes, it reduces laughing lines. I'll link that video in the description box below. Yes, So now at this point, I'm going in with our sunscreen. So I'm using this sunscreen. I managed to find a better sunscreen, but of course this is the best I could find in the shop. Yes, so sunscreen actually is good. The benefits are it reduces the signs of aging, limit appearance of sunspots, protect the skin from sunburn, reduce the risk of skin cancer, avoid broken vessels. Yes, so now like I'm just going in with the sizable amount, and then I'm going to gently rub it on our face. So applying sunscreen is very important like throughout the day. So whether it's in summer, winter, every day we need to apply sunscreen on our face, because this really helps like the sun to look youthful, more radiant, and more youthful. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now, and make sure that you click on the notification bell so that every time we post you'll be notified. So we are going in our Vaseline on the lips to moisturize our skin or our lips. So dear friends, are you going to make this face mask? Comment in the section below. Yes, so thank you so much for watching my videos and for your support. I really appreciate you, my subscribers and my viewers. Yes, so look like our skin is glowing. I love that. In fact, I've done quite a number of videos on how I take care of my face naturally. Bye bye, God bless you, see you in my next video.